Kulandwa emnyango kanye nekwehliswa endlini kalula kuyinto lelinyenti libantu sebalitayele nyalo njengoba abantu sebathathelwe emathuba ekunetseteka linyenti labo batholakala bengenayo indlela lelula yekuya emsebentini.
Where we work is actually not somewhere that is central, whereby you can get taxis. You don't get taxis.
The Ubers are very convenient. They pick you up in front of your door, they deliver you in front of your destination, and by that being cancelled and strike is very unfortunate.
Lenhlangano itawuhambisa incwadi tayo eBhisho kusasa.
We got to a point where we felt enough is enough. We've been exploited for so long. I mean, Uber has been in South Africa for so long. We pay tax on the Uber platform, but the government is still saying we are not legal or there are no regulations, but yet we are paying tax. So who are we paying the tax to? So I guess we took a time, we felt like it was time for us to just take a stand and say enough is enough. Government, do something.
Lesiteleka, sitawuchubeka kudzimate kube ngaLesine.